Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Spade, and it's the DC300P front and rear dash cam. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We'll do the unboxing. Comes in a fairly just plain clear box, 3-channel. You can pause and read these if you want, which we'll go over all the details at the end of the unboxing, all the detailed specs. Okay, let's open this up. And we get a manual. Not sure why I got a SIM ejector tool, but that was a microcloth. Some instructions for the suction cup mount. And let's see here. Which one of these? Okay, let's open this up. Okay, this is the camera. Okay, so we'll go over that last. Let's see, this is probably the mounts and cords. So let's see, inside here we've got, oh, this also has a back camera, a backup camera, which my vehicle already has one, so I'm not really gonna go over that much, but you can plug a backup camera in. And we have a little screwdriver. Let's see here. This suction cup mount, suction cup and mount. It's all in one little piece. A USB A to C end. Okay, cool. And our cigarette plug adapter, which is a nice long cord so you can hide it. I like that. And on the other end it has another female end on the cigarette plug adapter for USB-A, so that's neat. You don't lose anything. Okay, let's just kind of walk around the camera here. We have the SD card slot, which it comes with, I think it's a 32. Yep, it's a 32 gig card, so that comes with that. That's our power USB-C, and also next to that was the mounting port. That's the front-facing camera. The other camera is the one you go out. That would be facing that way. Actually, the other way around, because the mounting port is at the top. I have it here. Then we have the buttons at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. So let's go over some tech specs on this. This is a 3.16 FDH 1080p dash cam front and rear. It has a built-in G sensor. It locks the current video to preserve evidence when the car detects a jolt or crash. Even if the SD card is full, the dash cam will automatically overwrite the oldest unlocked video with the latest video. Achieve seamless loop recording. Okay, it's a dash cam for cars. It's super IR night vision and wide angle, featuring a 2.0 aperture and 6-layer optical lens with HDR WDR technology. The in-car camera helps reduce blind spots with 4 infrared IR lights, wide angle front 170 degree and 170 degree rear camera that clearly capture important details in low light conditions and provide crisp video and picture quality. It has a 3-channel front inside camera. The DC300P is a triple-channel dash camera which offers 170 degree front, 140 inside camera, and 170 degree rear camera. It can simultaneously monitor the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle while providing audio at 1080p plus 720p plus 1080p, protecting you from potential accidents and liability. It has super night light vision. The dash camera with wide dynamic range technology has a HD Pro, performs well in color, precision, and clarity, whether it's day or night. Has 4 infrared light face in the cabin, accurately capturing the driver and passenger, even if the cabin is completely dark, which is ideal for rideshare drivers, Uber, taxi, Lyft, etc. It's heat resistant with super capacitor. It's extreme conditions from 14 to 158 degrees. Has a 24-hour parking mode. Has a full life warranty. So it has the greatest warranty is to satisfy the needs of the consumer. They offer a lifetime 724 technical support. This is by far the most powerful guarantee on the market. So that's my video on the Spade DC300P dash cam. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.